My name is Christy Moore, and I'm from Sweetwater, Tennessee, and I am a part of the 3D Mastermind. So before I started Mastermind, I was just, on a hamster wheel. I was working through lunch, I was working late every day, and I wasn't seeing any money coming in. So when I came here, it was kind of twofold. One, I needed to make sure that I was getting paid for the work that I was doing, and then I also wanted to not work as hard as I was working. Outside of work, when I came home, I was stressed out. I wanted to be able to go see my daughter play ball, but I didn't have any time to take off. I was able to get my schedule a little bit more under control. I'm able to do the procedures that I want to do. And then the other thing that we've implemented is the financial menu. Having patients actually pay for their treatment at the time of service and getting them to actually know what they owe before they come in makes it a whole lot easier. Nothing was going to change in my practice unless I changed. It was up to me to make the change. It was